long trade. So this is the trade we made here. So we will go over the higher time frames first, but just to give you an idea, this is the long trade we were looking for many reasons. And as you can see, to this important zone from where we were trading, this long trading setup, as you can see, market really took the shoot to the upside, and it was very volatile. So this trade will start actually on the higher time frames, starting off the daily. We said, if you have watched the weekly forex forecast video on my YouTube channel, we said that overall the market structure is bullish due this strong closing formations and strong swing lows, and nothing changed also here. As you can see, for many days price was retracing, but since we found this strong daily support here, we said that if this level will hold, then we can start looking for potential long trading opportunities. Now, going over the charts we saw during the morning, this is the chart that we had on the EUR/USD today. The day before yesterday, here market closed bullish, strong bullish close, and when we have strong bullish structure, then of course the previous day's highs are the targets in this bullish structure, as well as previous daily highs here. So this was our buy side liquidity, our resistance, and we said we want to look for potential opportunities, trying to target at least this daily higher time frames level. So this was from the 4-hour time frame, I mean the daily, and on the 4-hour time frame, this is what we saw today's morning. So if I go to the daily and we mark those levels up, the yesterday's highs were here, as you can see, and we had also this resistance up here. So going to the lower time frames, on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, the chart I shared before, this was from the morning, and at the morning what we saw was of course bullish structure on the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, as you can see, we had many bullish fair value gap levels, the imbalances is here, and this was also one of them. Market during the night also formed nice, as you can see, formation, nice swing low here, and overall 4-hourly was bullish, and we said in case the market would tap into this imbalance in combination with the previous 4-hourly swing lows, the sell side liquidity, then we can start looking for lower time frames setup in order to target those levels up here. So this was our trading idea. And on the 1-hourly, what we also noticed, the first sweep of this Asian session range liquidity, as you can see, was here. This was in the London session, and then in the New York session we had another sweep of liquidity. So market actually swept those Asian session range lows, also the 1-hourly lows and 4-hourly lows here in the New York session, and then we had nice lower time frame setup in order to target this daily and 4-hourly highs up there. So the clean move to the upside. And if you go to the 15-minute time frame, this is where we, if you zoom out, you can see this was the daily top here, the 4-hourly top, the yesterday's highs, and this was our main liquidity we wanted to look for, to target for. So what do we see here in this Asian session range? As you can see, the range was there. So this is what we called, of course, accumulation. And then when the London opened, we saw this manipulation. Market swept previous lows down there. If you zoom in, you can see market sweep those lows here for a few pips. Then we had nice structure shift to the upside on the 15-minute time frame and 5-minute as well. And then in the New York, we had another sweep of liquidity. As you can see here, you can see that market sweep those lows here, and sweep also those lows from London and Asian session lows, and then we had nice shift to the upside. So after all those news were over, somewhere here market took this liquidity, bounced from 4 hourly, 1 hourly imbalance, and then we had, as you can see, nice shift to the upside. Market broke the previous short-term highs here, pushed to the upside. We had nice displacement, nice fair value gap zone on the 15-minute time frame, and if you use Fibonacci, you can see that market was in this premium up here, and when the market retraced into the discount area, as you can see, market tapped into this discount area. So if you measure price moved up, let's say if I use my measurement tool, you can see that wait a second, let me exit the drawing. So in this case, market pushed up for almost 25 pips, and then it also retraced into this discount area for more than 50%. So that's where we took our action. As you can see, we had this nice lower time frame structural shift. Looking at the 1 hourly, as you can see, 1 hourly buy side liquidity was here, 4 hourly sell side, 4 hourly buy side liquidity here, and also the daily buy side liquidity here. So we had a lot of room to target. We had 1 hourly buy side liquidity, 4 hourly, and also the daily we mentioned before. So on this manipulation here, so we have accumulation, manipulation here, and then lower time frame setup in order to target this distribution phase, the hard time frames level of liquidity. And as you can see, the market was really volatile. So here in this case, I personally went for a classic base hit with more than 1-to-1 in terms of risk and reward ratio, but as you can see, the market was really volatile and really nice, good textbook setup within the New York session. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Make sure you check it again, because I give you really important steps you need to follow every day in order to trade, in order to trade these kind of setups on the long term. So thanks for watching. We catch up soon in the next videos.